2025 Prelim RGPS Paper 2, Question 7. The figure shows 3 boxes X, Y, Z and a 50-gram weight on a balance scale. The average mass of the 3 boxes is 140 gram. Average. The mass of box X is 40 gram heavier than box Y. What's the mass of box Y? Now, average mass of the 3 boxes is 140 gram. Let's find the total mass. Okay. Of X, Y, and Z. Okay, that's 3 times 140 gram. It gives us 420 gram. All right, now 3 boxes plus weight is 420 gram plus the weight here, which is 50 gram. That gives us 470 gram. Okay, now given that the scale is balanced, we can take each side of scale goes to 470 gram divided by 2, they give us 235 gram. So we know this is 235 gram. This is also 235 gram. Okay, now let's focus on the left side. The mass of box X is heavier than box Y by 40 gram. And we know the total is 235 gram. Okay, so we can find mass of box Y now. Mass of box Y goes to 235 gram minus 40 gram. Now 235 gram minus 40 gram will give us these 2 units here. Okay, but we only want to find Y, so let's divide this by 2. Okay, this will give us the mass of box Y. This is 195 gram divided by 2. That gives us 97.5 gram. Okay, that's our answer, 97.5 gram.